Aloha nui! This video shows how to use the site log on the NRDS mobile app. First thing to do is click Fetch from Web App. You can select what you want fetched specifically, but I recommend fetching all so that everything is up to date. This grabs the data off the server and updates it on your mobile device. You want to do this before you go into the field so that you have the most up-to-date data on your phone or tablet. Alright. Now we're ready to collect some data using the site log. There are several ways to start a survey entry. The easiest way is by enabling Quick Collect. This is a shortcut that allows you to add a survey by simply clicking Site Log. Another way to start a site log would be going directly to the map, clicking the polygon you're working on. You know it's activated when it's blue. From there, click Survey, then Site Log. When it's highlighted blue, you can also see past site logs that were completed by clicking Data and scrolling down to see them there. If you're at a new collection site, you want to first add a new polygon by tracking, tracing, or tapping, whichever you prefer. Save it. Save polygon as area. Rename it. Once it's saved, you can go ahead and click Survey, Site Log. Two other ways to start a new survey would be to click the plus and then Site Log, or from the Surveys tab, if you click Site Log and then the plus there as well. Whichever route you take will bring you to this page where you can enter all your information. The date will be automatically set to the current date and time, but you can change it if you need to. Event type, you can select multiple. Polygon you can find either by manually searching it up, or if you're on the map, you can select it from that screen as well. Add your reason for visiting, who completed the survey, and from there you can start to enter which items you found. If you scroll up, the totals section you see will change according to what items you add. If you find nothing at that location, click Nothing Found and you'll see all the item sections disappear. You can also add notes, along with photos, either taking it on the spot, or you can add photos from your library. Don't forget to click Save. Once it's saved, you'll see the green check mark up here in the top right corner. From there, you can hit Back, which will bring you back to your map. If you want to check on the survey you just did and edit it, you can always go to Surveys, Site Log, and click the one you just completed to make any edits as needed by clicking the three dots in the top right corner, then Edit. Don't forget to click Save once you make the changes. From there, you can also look at past surveys that were entered and see what other people found in the area. Now I'm going to go in offline mode to show you how it will work when you're out of service. So everything is pretty much the same. When you enter all the information, the main difference is once you click Save and you go to the survey list, you'll see the one you just completed is in red. It'll appear this way until you push to the web and it saves to the server. So once you're back in service, you can click Push Now, and you'll see it's pushing all that data you completed offline onto the server. So if you go back, now it's no longer red, you know that all your data has been synced up. And yeah, that is a quick overview of how to add a site log entry Please let us know if you have any questions or suggestions. Mahalo!